Hi there. What is the fastest way for you to create personal wealth? Well, when stocks are going down, investors need a place to put their money, and guess where they go? You guessed it, the housing market. So, let's explore the value of home ownership and what it can do to increase your personal wealth. Home ownership has many benefits. Let's calculate to see how owning a home can positively affect your personal net worth. First, let's calculate based on a purchase price of $300,000 with a down payment of 3.5% on a 30-year fixed interest rate of 6.375. Let's give a very modest average on your home's appreciation over the course of just 1 year, according to Black Knight, of only 4%, which has been the United States' national average over the last 30 years. You are a single person and make approximately $85,000 a year or less, and your tax rate would be currently 22%. At the end of just 1 year, your home has appreciated 4%, which means if you paid $300,000 for your house, today it's worth $312,000. 1 year appreciation of $12,000. Your principal reduction is the amount of money you owe the bank on your current mortgage after 1 year. A traditional mortgage payment includes both principal, the amount you paid for the home, and interest, the percent that you borrowed the money at. After just 1 year after those payments, you reduce the amount you owe the bank and adds to your home's equity. In this scenario, you paid $300,000 and you paid 6.375%. After 1 year, your principal reduction is $3,313. In addition to appreciation and mortgage reduction, homeowners can potentially use property taxes and mortgage interest to reduce their personal income taxes because they can write off several costs related to home ownership. Please make sure to always consult a tax professional for the most up-to-date and accurate estimates on your potential tax savings on home ownership. In this particular scenario, with making $85,000 in an annual income, your savings after 1 year on interest would be $4,039. So, what is the value of home ownership to purchase a $300,000 house at 6.375? Well, your personal wealth will appreciate through the appreciation of the home of $12,000. You'll have a principal reduction of $3,313, and that's with 4% down at 6.375 interest rate, and a tax savings of $4,039 at the 22% tax bracket. That means that at the end of the day, a total of $19,353 is your estimated value. That is incredible. But what's more incredible is home ownership, because everybody should have the American dream of owning a home. So, what are you waiting for? Text PEEKING, PEEKING, to 59559 for your private online search of thousands of possibilities. This is your time to own the American dream. I'm Ann Milano. Let's get started.